Hello, friend. Where do you want to be by this time next year? Today is December 31st. Now, don't care when you're watching this, it can work any day, but habits. Habits are how you get to where you want to be. And so today I challenge you. I challenge you today to invest 1 hour in your future. Just 1 hour. 1 hour of visualization can completely change your direction. Visualizing every single day is a habit that super hyper successful and influential people use to get to where they want to go. Because believe it or not, you have the answer. So here is my challenge to you. My challenge to you is invest 30 minutes. Find a beautiful place for you to be quiet. Find a place where you won't be interrupted. Find some time, make some time to visualize and just think about these questions. Close your eyes. Don't worry about thinking about something specific or listening to certain kind of music. All I want you to do is to close your eyes and think about what is possible. Where do you want to be? You can ask this question. Where do I want to be in 1 year from today? What is your biggest challenge right now that you would like to change? What is your future look like? What is your wildest and craziest dream that you still haven't accomplished yet? How does your future look like? What does it look like? What does your future feel like? I want you to be using your 5 and your 6 sense. I want you to see, what does it look like? What does it taste like? What does it smell like? What does it sound like? What does it touch? And what does it feel like inside? Where do you want to be by December 31st? For 30 minutes, you're going to close your eyes and all you're going to do is just allow your thoughts to flow. Don't get stuck in any negative thoughts. Don't get stuck in anything. Just allow them to come in, watch it, pay attention to it, and allow it to flow out. 30 minutes, close your eyes and just imagine where you could be in a year, where you want to be in a year, what you truly want to have in 1 year. And then after 30 minutes, I want you to invest 30 minutes journaling. Take out your book and just start writing. Write everything that came to you. Write everything that you truly want. Write everything that gets you excited, that gets you passionate. Visualization every single day is one of those key habits that make the biggest difference. Can you visualize this vision 10 minutes every single day? Find a place like this that inspires you, that's beautiful, that opens up your thoughts and your hearts and your mind. 2023 is the year of challenge and abundance. You will not be this person. I am not who I was. I am not who I'm going to be. I am who I am today. And I'm excited to become that future version of myself. You guys, I love you so much. Do this for yourselves and do me a favor. Let me know how it is afterwards. Send me a private message or better yet, comment below and declare who you will be by the end of next year. Love you guys. Have an amazing new year and we'll talk to you soon.